No, he's not like blood related, but he's your cousin. My tito, right? He had a dog. The dog's name was Kulit, right? And Kulit would walk every day in the Philippines to the Palenque. And then he would go to this one shop in the Palenque and they sell fish, right? The dog, right? He would always pick this one fish. It was bangos. And that bangos was caught by a fisherman on this boat, right? And on that boat, in his little toolbox to catch the fish, there's a hook, right? And the manufacturer of that hook, and he's from San Miguel, Bulacan, right? And as he's creating this hook, right, he got a cut on his finger while he's bending the hook to make it into shape, right? So he went to the hospital, right? And that doctor that helped him with the infection, his name was Rizal. Rizal has has a tita that is she likes to sing at the karaoke bar, right? While she was singing, the waitress was like very impressed with the singing, right? So then she's like, "Oh, maybe we should go out to eat sometime." After they ate, they met this guy. He's so poggy and everything. They got married and then they have a kid. And that's why JR is your cousin.